I deeply appreciate what this place is. It gave me time, space, and a sense of community. Time to reflect and process, space to distance myself from who I've been and what I've done in my addiction, and a community that supports and encourages one another. I know I'll be able to make friends outside of here because I've made friends here. Friends who came together to watch The Summer I Turned Pretty, friends who motivated me to work out, and friends who played ping pong, pickleball, and volleyball even if they were tired or injured. Continue to show up for yourselves and each other in your program and your recovery. John, I'd like to thank you for pushing me, challenging me, making fun of me, and making me cry. Thank you. I'm not sure if my dad and my brother will be here yet, but I want to thank my dad for being so solid. Someone I can lean on and talk to. Thank you for driving 15 hours in 2 days to take me to court and another 5 to pick me up today. I want to thank my brother for loving me unconditionally and taking me under his wing at the gym. I love you both so much. Finally, thank you to the staff, trainees, leadership, and Elevate overall for giving me a second chance.
We believe that you should empower the individual and that we need to show them what went wrong and then give them their power back so that they can tackle addiction as an issue and overcome that.
With your program, how successful are you?
And so we track them all the way through the program and then after the program. And last year we ranked #1 in the entire nation based off of success and overall results.
So if people wanted to get more information, where do they go?
ElevateRehab.org.